So my topic is titled Social Media and Political Communication. It's quite a theory-intensive paper, so I will try to encompass it the best that I can within the time frame. Now, basically, the emergence of new media has largely transformed the face of political communication in India. And in this study, in this particular paper, what we have aimed to look at is study the paper of Michael Gurevich, Stephen Coleman, and J.G. Bloomler in their essay Political Communication, Old and New Media Relationships, and basically use the framework that is constructed from this particular paper to study the paradigm shift in India in the relationship between politicians and the media, that is basically political communication. So this study looks at the Twitter interaction of some of the Indian politicians, namely Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who as of August 2015 is the third most followed world leader, the most followed Indian personality, and has a Twitter following of over 14.7 million, as well as political leader Shashi Tharoor, who comes very close in numbers. And we aim to see how digital media has become a crucial component for political communication. So the methodology of the study, it's a qualitative analysis using content analysis. For the Twitter data, the tweets of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and political leader Shashi Tharoor were analyzed for the months of June and July 2015. Our study was restricted to this period because this was our time of analysis. The essay by Gurevich, Coleman and Bloomler, Political Communication, Old and New Media Relationship, was studied, and from this particular paper, a framework consisting of 4 parameters were constructed. So the paper basically tries to address some of the key suggestions on political communication given by Gurevich and his team, and see if the same can be applied to the Indian political scenario. So the first parameter that was constructed, the 4 parameters like I mentioned, the first is new media and displacement of traditional media. Now, according to the Pew report of 2008, the advent of new media technologies like political blogs, government websites, Twitter and other forms of social media has largely transformed the face of political news delivery, and has also led to another element, which is the displacement of traditional mainstream news media. Now, in the context of India, if you can recollect, social media has allowed the Prime Minister's role to transform from that of a leader or a political personality to something a lot more. He has taken on multidimensional roles of a journalist, a public motivator, a social activist, political commentator, and other elements like this. He is no longer restricted to the traditional role that existed of a politician who was within the 4 walls of the parliament. Similarly, the traditional barrier that existed between a politician and the public has also largely transformed. It has become more of an informal contact with direct interaction and an immediacy in response. So if we look at Gurevich's paper, what he says, to quote, is there is an ecological reconfiguration in the roles and relationship within this evolving media landscape. What this simply means is what I have explained as the role that our Prime Minister has taken on, a displacement of the traditional roles and an establishment of a new structure. The second parameter is publicness transformed. What this simply means is that the concept of public and private that has existed in a traditional structure has been completely removed or displaced because of an establishment of a certain factor that Gurevich calls viral energy. What viral energy means is it is an element that allows for the gap between the public and the private to be bridged. And how this happens is because information now travels from politicians to the masses at a very rapid speed. And the immediacy in response, or the interaction that the public can give back to politicians, is just as fast. So this viral energy is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has captured rightly and at the right time, and has used very actively, as you can see through his Twitter posts. So what he does is, now if to quote an example of Yoga Day or Selfie with Daughter Incredible India, these are campaigns that have used this viral data, this element, this component called the viral data, to generate a sort of fervorance among the public and allow them to immediately respond back to him, whether it's to tweets or retweets.